Mastering present obligations in English. Let's express it right. Hello, language learners. Welcome to another exciting lesson on intermediate English grammar. Today, we're focusing on a fascinating aspect of the English language, present obligations. This lesson will improve your ability to express obligations in English. So, grab a pen and paper, and let's dive right in. Understanding how to express obligations in English is crucial for conveying necessity and duty in your conversations. In this section, we will explore what present obligations are and how they can enhance your English communication skills. When we talk about present obligations, we're referring to responsibilities or necessities that apply now, in the present moment. English language employs modal verbs like must, have to, and need to express these obligations. Must is a strong modal verb used to express something that is necessary or very important. It carries a sense of urgency and necessity. For example, you might say, "I must finish this assignment tonight. She must see a doctor." Remember, must is used when the obligation comes from the speaker or when the speaker believes the action is necessary. Another way to express present obligations is by using have to. This is more common in everyday speech and is often used when the obligation comes from outside the speaker. For example, "I have to study for my exam tomorrow. We have to leave early to catch the train." While have to and must are similar in meaning, have to is often seen as less formal and less urgent. Finally, let's look at need to. We use this phrase to talk about something that is necessary or very important, much like must and have to. However, it's less about obligation and more about necessity. For example, "I need to eat something before we leave. You need to be at the airport 2 hours before your flight." Again, this is similar to must and have to, but it has a softer tone, making it suitable for more casual conversations. And there you have it. A quick guide to expressing present obligations in English. Remember, using must, have to, and need to correctly can make your conversation sound more natural and effective. Keep practicing, and soon these will become second nature to you. I hope this video has been helpful. Keep learning, and see you in our next lesson.